Oh, there's one of the boondocks we're coming up to. See it?
Oh, Skidway, yeah.
Do you want to stop there?
Can we go a little more?
Huh?
Did it seem like there were other good
The next thing is the bay, is the reservoir. That's right outside of Helena.
Yeah, then we should probably stop here.
All right, we're gonna
Turn here.
try to find a campsite. Only at 5,600 feet.
Skidway.
There should be some boondocking behind it. Catch you when we get up closer. Yeah, we're still driving up, and it got so pretty we thought it'd be a shame not to share this with you, although the road is a bit bumpy. But
And we've been on worse roads.
we haven't had to take the...
Haven't had to take the Valium.
I was going to say the iPad down.
Oh.
Supposed to be some good boondocking back here behind the campground. It's amazing that this is still part of the campground. I mean,
yeah. Oh, it says one way. So much for that decision.
Two negatives about going up in here. One, we probably won't get much electric. Solar. Let's see here.
You can go, yeah. We can.
Number 11.
Kind of openish there.
Yeah, but it's part of the campground, isn't it? Or is it?
Well, no, because you're kind of up where it shows like some boondock.
Well, that's what I put there.
That didn't have a number. Oh, maybe, yeah, once you turn off here,
Yeah.
you're in boondock country.
Okay, now we're on a two-way track. Towards what I've marked as boondocking areas. Let's see what's... Well, I guess we'll go back to the campground, don't you think?
I think, yes.
I know she'll think.
Good spot to turn around as well.
Yeah. So this is the area behind our campsite. Beautiful up here. Nobody else up here. Trigger can run free. Ranger went by and didn't say anything. There's Trigger barking in the background at Carol. And there's Carol photographing. Beautiful setting up here. Nobody else. I'm doing a little cross country here at Skidway. These big stumps. This is not a rock. It's a mammoth tree fall. Let's see here. All the earth it pulled up. Let's see if we have a tree on the other side. We do. We actually have two down trees here. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. Makes you a little nervous to be in the forest, especially if it's windy. Fortunately, it hasn't been too windy. That's just crazy. It's about, I'd say 7 feet, 8 feet tall, something like that. Probably if I was standing at the base, it would be 8 or 9 feet tall. Just the root mass for this tree. Amazing. Well, here we are in Skidway Campground, which is really quite nice. We're pretty much the only people here. I think somebody may have shown up, but not sure. We've heard a little gunfire off in the distance, and
Not distant enough.
not distant enough, maybe. But yeah, I guess we're in bear country now. You'd know it if you saw Carol. She's got her bear spray on and everything else. Don't mention anything else.
I won't mention
Don't mention anything else. But it was a good day. I mean, you know, Pictograph Cave, as we said, you know, it's not something I would go out of my way for, but it was really pretty up there, and it was a nice little walk. White Sulphur Springs. Soak.
Yeah, nice little town. I thought we talked about that a little bit. The castle, pretty cool house up on the hill that's now a museum. The soak was really nice.
And I think after my big hike at, where was that?
Now I can't say it.
Makoshika
Makoshika.
State Park. It was really nice to get in the hottest pool
Over there.
first. I didn't realize, well, not the hottest. The hottest was
Over here.
the
Over
indoor pool.
I'll find
And but yeah, I mean, it was great. The scenery here is just amazing. It's just like, you're out, and I think, I did a drone shot here, and you can see is we're here in forest, but the way we're facing right now is out into barren hills, essentially. So it's really kind of amazing, just the change of scenery. I mean, we've loved it here. Tomorrow we'll go through Helena, and we should hit at least one of the ghost towns. We do have a non-ghost town spot to stop at, hopefully tomorrow. And if we don't get to the other two tomorrow, we will get to them the next day. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Tell us what you liked. Tell us what you didn't like, what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of.
More trigger.
More trigger. Yes, but hope you join us. And again, thanks a lot. See you later.
Good night.